Indonesia continues to attract foreign investors despite the country's recent economic slowdown. The nation recorded a 9.8% boost in first quarter foreign investment this year. But the government is now coping with the reality that more investment doesn't always mean more jobs.
It's scenes like this that Indonesian officials say are in short supply. Both domestic and foreign investment rose in the first quarter of 2014 to a combined total of more than 100 trillion rupiah. But the nation's employment numbers don't look so sterling. Indonesian officials say a focus on capital-intensive industries, or those that don't require a massive workforce, have taken a toll. The nation currently has 100,000 less jobs than last year, prompting officials like Hatta Rajasa, the coordinating minister for the economy, to push for a boost in job-creating industries, like those in the agricultural sector. Indonesia currently lags behind its neighbors in productivity and infrastructure, both key components in attracting manufacturing and agricultural jobs. But Hatta says his office will push for more labor-intensive industries to boost employment numbers. The government will focus on the agricultural industry, which currently employs more than 49 million workers, or some 41% of the nation's workforce. Hatta says shrinking labor numbers represent a switch to projects with bigger price tags, but smaller workforces.
Pergeseran dari selama ini industri berbasis kepada padat karya, utamanya itu industri primer. Ya. Nah sekarang ini berbasis kepada padat modal. Nah ini memang serapannya itu relatif lebih sedikit dibandingkan yang padat karya. Tapi produktivitas meningkat. Oleh sebab itu kita juga harus hati-hati karena kita masih memerlukan ya industri-industri yang padat karya. Contohnya adalah di pertanian yang terkait dengan agro. Jadi pada sisi hulu yang lebih banyak menyerap tenaga kerja terus kita kembangkan, tapi tidak berhenti di situ. Karena itu kan primer. Harus didorong juga hilirisasinya sehingga terintegrated.
First quarter domestic investment rose by 25.9% to total 34.6 trillion rupiah, but it only provided jobs for some 68,000 workers, or some 79,000 less than last year. Foreign investment rose 9.8% to 72 trillion rupiah, but booked similar returns. Foreign investors provided jobs for 192,000 workers, but that's still 21,000 less than last year's figures. The International Monetary Fund predicts that unemployment will fall to 6.3% this year, but officials like Hatta say lower unemployment figures won't be possible without a government-backed boost to labor-intensive industries.